Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Civilization Simulator 1 by Profuse Meteor. Looking at this code we can see some set font blocks, say blocks, and some when and receive blocks. Here you can construct your own civilization with the wood that you collect by clicking and sell it for some cash to build. Next up we have Hard Robot Boss Battle 1 by Ornery Bread. This code includes some apply impulse blocks, change blocks, and some when I receive blocks as well. Defeat the boss while also dodging his harmful attacks. First one to reach 0 HP loses. Here we have The Homework Killer by WHAM. We can see some clone blocks, when I receive blocks, and repeat blocks. Launch your firepower to never have to do your homework again. Last but not least, we have Goblin Combat by Death Dragon 1 Trillion. Looking at this code, we can see some when actor clicked blocks, wait blocks, and when occurs blocks too. Fend off your humble home with the might of wizards and rangers against the evil goblins. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code like this too on Tynker. See you next time.